yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day.
So this is Cam's room. Nice and festive. Just adding a little Christmas spirit. Have his calendar. That was an extra, just random pillow I had. I had 3 red ones, so I brought them up in their rooms to kind of bring some red. You guys saw me put the lights in here. So he uses this as his night light for the month of, let's see what that wall looks like. The month of December. This right here actually came from their curtains. So the curtains are from IKEA. I bought them too long. I didn't feel like returning them, so I just decided to cut and close off the ends. And I'm happy that I did not throw the extra fabric away because I felt like I could use it. Hey, Loki. Use it for something. So that's what this is. It's just the extra fabric from their curtains. And I feel like it goes well. So the little gnome. The gnome was $3 at Dollar Tree. $3 at Dollar Tree. Or no, 5. This was 5 and this was 3. Chair, another one of those extra pillows. I changed their bedding out. So the little bedding bag that you saw that I keep their extra set in actually came from IKEA also. This little blanket for $5 at Dollar Tree. And then he really likes green. So his little decor pillows, they are already green. So that's why I wanted to add a little red in. So strung those lights. Don't mind these pictures without pictures in it, and then their dressers. I still am not 100% finished with their room. I have some small, just very minor things that, hi Loki. I have some very minor things that I need to finish up, and adding pictures to those, that's on the list. So whenever I finish with those little projects, then you guys definitely will get a full decorated room tour. So like I said, we have the lights, and that's his nightstand, toys. There's Loki. And then his desk. You guys saw those are this is an ornament. I just cut the little tag off, and this little tree for more light or ambiance at night. And then a little ornament he made in pre-K, and then this little snowman to add some extra Christmas spirit. So once again, this is Cam's room. And now let's move on to Kai's room. I'm just going to pan around so you guys can get a feel for everything. Now, when decorating their rooms, I didn't want them to be the same, but similar. So you'll see a lot of the same things or similar things in their rooms. So they kind of have the same feel, but they are different. So starting over here, we have his advent calendar. Like I said, I have to do something in his closet and his photos, so don't mind the extra. When I finish, I will give you guys a tour of everything. So that's his little advent calendar. Kai loves the color red, and he already had his little decor pillow, so I just went with that. Changed around a few things, his lights for his bed, and his other comforter set, his little blanket, those same curtains. And then this pillow actually came from Cam's comforter set, but he had enough green, so I brought it in Kai's room just to give him a little bit of green in here. It's a little mirror area. And stuffed animals. Like I said, I had 3 of those pillows, so I just brought one over there in the corner. And then his dresser area. That's what I was talking about. Still need to finish those 2 doors. So that is the curtain fabric. He loves gnomes. This year, for some reason, he loves gnomes. So he has a little red one. And then this gives him a little bit of ambiance at night. So he'll use that as his light. And just some extra little Christmas crafts he's done through pre-K and kindergarten. And then moving over to his desk. Just kind of switched up how his stuff is decorated. And then we have his little Lazy Susan with his stuff on it. So that is Kai's room. Nothing too major. Everything very, very affordable, but they have nice, cute Christmas decor for their rooms for the season.